Hey bunnies, for today's video we're going to be talking about obviously this hair that I'm wearing. First of all, this is a brown sugar wig. If you guys remember, I had already done a brown sugar video and I wasn't that much of a fan of the hair, you know. It was cute on filters and stuff, but I still ended up keeping it because it was a human hair blend. Blase blase, the end. Alright, we thought that was the end of my brown sugar saga, okay, relationship. So this wig was gifted to me, and it wasn't for the sake of doing a video, but because I'm just love like that. And this is a brown sugar wig, human hair blend, BS411, I believe it's called. And do you see how friggin' bouncy this hair is? This is their whole lace wig line. Okay, what I will say with this, because it is a human hair blend, you can tell they didn't really put much into the construction of the wig itself, as far as the type of material they use and how they did the knots, because the knots are pretty thick in the back, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the knots are pretty thick. It's on a black lace instead of your traditional tan lace, but look at the freaking layers in this hair. Look how easy it is. You know what's crazy? I glued down the sides of this wig and this side keep lifted up. See, it's supposed to stay down. Like this side is down. You see that? This side is down, but this side refuses to stay down. I don't know what's going on, but look at this freaking hair, dog. This hair, let's do a center part. The only thing I do not like I said, they did not invest much into the cap and the construction of the wig, but the hair, the layers are amazing. It comes down to like right here, so I want to say it's like a 14-16 inch in the longest length, and then of course it's layered. So from like layers are like 10-12 inches going down to like a maybe even a 18 maybe. But look at the body, look at the I can't stop looking at my reflection. Like this hair. Now last week when I did the Super Suki, not to like, you know, bombard this review, but last week when I did the Super Suki, I was so in love with it, but like after 2 days it died. Like it just dead on me. But this, I don't know if it's gonna last. I'm obviously not going to be sleeping in this wig, but because it does still have synthetic in there. It's not like it's 100% human hair, and even so you still want your skin to breathe, you know? Yes, but oh my gosh, I feel so bougie. This wig, like it gives me such vibes. The color is a 99J. 99J is like a deep plum color. I think it goes so well with my skin tone. I decided to do a red lip today because I haven't done a red lip in a while, and it's just it has very little baby hairs, so I did take my little edge brush. Let me come closer. I did take my little edge brush with some Got To Be glue gel, the black tube one, and just like, you know, brush them down. They're not the best, but you know, it helps so that it doesn't give it that, you know, that round shape head look, that ball head shape look. But I absolutely love this hair. Do you see how friggin' bouncy it is and not tangling? That is what I love about this wig. Like it's so bouncy and it's not tangling at all. Like look at that. What is this? What kind of sorcery is this? What kind of sorcery? Now this wig can be found in your local beauty supply store, for one. For two, this wig can also be purchased online. The price range is going to be between like $47 and like $60, somewhere there. When I was googling it, it was somewhere between $47 and like $60. So like $50 to $60 is what you're going to need to get this beauty right here. And of course there are different styles and variations of the whole lace wig, but this, oof, BS114, the length is so nice and natural, and then the layers are just perfect. And I know I'm not looking at the camera right now, and that's probably so annoying, but oh, I don't know, I should probably just take this 5 minutes and just focus on you guys, because I'm gonna have this wig to play with all day. But this freaking thing is gorgeous. Gorgeous, honey. This is the wig we've been searching for all our lives, ladies. This is the look we've been wanting. This is the Rachel from Friends of All Wigs. Okay, this is the Rachel of wigs. I said it, and I mean what I say. I say what I mean. This is the Rachel of wigs. It does have 2 combs in the front, which I did slide in here. It does have a comb in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. It is gorgeous. There is no shedding. Okay, just a little tangler right there, and that's because I keep flipping it up and down, but there is no shedding. I haven't come across any shedding. The only annoying thing I have found so far is that right here keeps on friggin' lifting, and there is glue on there. You see how, look, you see it's sticky, and I tied it down and everything, but it just refuses to stay right there. Whereas this side is being such a good little child. This one is being so rude and disrespectful. Like, why would you do that to me knowing, you know, I'm trying to be fleeky? But anyways, this is her brown sugar BS411. Oh my gosh, I didn't even show you guys the tag. Hold on one second, let me grab it. The number is not BS114, it's BS441. The color, like I said, is a 99J. This is what the card looks like. There, let me see if I can focus it. There you go. That is what the card looks like. You have the 2 girls on the front. Super, super gorgeous. Whole lace, like I said. So, you know, yeah. So it's a little bit more free flowing with the whole lace. But like I said, they used a black lace thing instead of tan. The colors that come in, number 1, 1B, number 2, 613, 99J is what I'm wearing right now, 1B 30, 4 27 30, and 4 over 27. On the card right here, this one is the 427 30, and this one is the 427. That 427 is gorgeous. With just that highlight right there in the front. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Look how it blows in the wind. Look at it, look at it. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. But yeah, it is a human hair blend, so obviously it takes heat. Haven't tried to curl it or anything. I probably won't until like maybe the end starts to get nappy, and then I'll, you know, run my iron through it. But this hair is freaking heaven. Okay, if you have any questions for me on this hair, leave it in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.